folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, I got the X-Fly F-22 Twin 40. It's awfully windy in this light little plane, so this is going to be interesting. I'm going to turn my rates or gains up just a little bit. And I've increased the throw on my elevator from 65 to 80, or to 90, because I just did that the other day and I realized it needed more, so I can do that high alpha landing a little bit better. So right, left, up, down, no rudder, just a steerable nose wheel. Timer set for 3.5 minutes. Here we go. Yeah, it's awfully windy, folks. I don't have any rudder to correct with, so. So landing's going to be very interesting, to say the least. There, I did that cobra maneuver there. Well, would that be a Harrier landing? Yeah, definitely don't have any kind of rudder, so. There, double cobra. Oh yeah, she don't want to come out of the sky. She just wants to float and float and float. It's like, no, Daddy, I want to keep flying. 2 minutes. It's what I do. Oh yeah. All right, get her turned around here. When you're flying the wind like this, you just got to be very selective. You know, make sure you got plenty of go around. Plenty of juice for a go around. Here we go. All right, we're going to do a speed pass. We're going to go down here the other end of the runway, go up high, and then dive. We'll go up high here, 1, 2, 3, flipper, still maintaining full speed. That was with the wind. Out of the power completely. There we go. It's a nice little plane, I tell you. X-Fly, Banana Hobby, y'all done really well with this. This is a nice, solid little plane. Of course, it'd be great if it had rudders, but that would add to the cost. And just a nice little toss and boss plane. Now, I am thinking, a couple of my viewers have asked me to, because it is designed for hand launching, I might do that another time. But I like being able to land traditionally. I really enjoy being able to do that. Well, that wind really slows it down. You don't need, definitely don't need flaps. Don't have flaps anyway. Oh no! Well, that was a mistake there, but it's got pretty strong gear too. Just so you know, I'm running a 2800 SMC pack in there. There. That's 2 landings for the price of 1. All right. Show you my rates real quick. On the, oh no, ailerons I have 90, the 90%, 30% expo. Okay, on my elevator, 90%, 30% expo, and then 100% on the steerable nose wheel. I think I did 100% on that. No, 50% because it has so much deflection there. That's right, you have to really cut that down, otherwise it'll just turn on a dime for you. I had 38 seconds left on a 3.5 minute timer, so almost a full 3 minutes. And this is where I have that SMC pack, 2200 to a 2800. That's the only place you can put it. CG better be right, because that's the only place you can put them. There is no back and forth. And so let's check the battery and see what kind of life I've got left. It's got an XT60, comes off the ESC. Okay. All right. And the battery has 57% left. So really I could have set that for 4.5 minutes to come back at about 25%, which has been a good storage rate. That is the, let me get turned around here. That is the X-Fly F-22 twin 40 millimeter. It's got 2 40 millimeter ducted fans. You probably can't see it through the tail, but gear just pops in, very simple. And the battery I'm using is, if you can see it, an SMC 2800 milliamp battery, and it has a 75C discharge rate. The only drawback, the only complaint I have on this plane is look at the canopy. See that gap? There's nothing in there. There's nothing in there to be pushing up on it. It just doesn't, maybe my canopy got too hot or something in shipping, but it doesn't fit flush. And it's not coming off, it looks bad. You know, that's a minor gripe. That is not a deal breaker at all. So, I mean, it's not coming off. So, all right, folks, well, thank you for watching. That's the X-Fly Twin 40 F-22. This is Fat Guy Flies RC saying God bless each and every one of you. Banana Hobby, thank you for the plane for a review, and or however much money I paid you for it. And God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then F-22's little ones. Bye-bye.